Dear students, today we will see the properties of liquids. I have made it a little easier to understand. The points are little displaced. I have written the points according to the properties which fit in the properties of liquids. So let us start properties of liquids. Let us see first arrangement of particles. Arrangement of particles in liquids, they are little far from each other. As we are looking here, the particles of the liquids are quite far from each other. As a result, they move and change their shape. We can see second number, particles of liquids are loosely packed. So they are far from each other, therefore the particles of liquids are loosely packed. If they are loosely packed, that means they are far from each other. Therefore the force of attraction is lesser than solids. So we can write here third number, interparticle force of attraction is less than solid. Interparticle force of attraction is less than solid. If the interparticle force of attraction is less than solid, then the space between the particle is also more. If attraction is less, then space will be more. As a result, we can write fourth number, interparticle space is more than in solids. So when the interparticle space is more than in the solids. We had seen in the solids the interparticle force of attractions were more. As a result, the spaces were very less. They were very close. So this space was very small, least, and attraction was more. Because of that, they were very close to each other. But in case of liquids, they are far. As a result, the interparticle space, interparticle space is more in the liquids. Here is very less. Here also we can take this one also. So like this, interparticle space is more than in solids. Let us see fifth number. When these are little further, we can press, but mostly they are incompressible, same as the solids. As a result, when we keep any liquid in the container and try to press it, the water, instead of getting pressed, they come out from the container. So this verifies that liquid is also mostly incompressible. So they are mostly incompressible. mostly incompressible. If they are mostly incompressible, what can be done? Let us see. Sixth number. Since their particles are free to move, because of that they can change their shape. As a result, they don't have the fixed shape. Whatever a container is used to keep them, they take the shape of that container only. But they have fixed volume. As much as water is taken in the glass, if it will be poured into bucket, that will be that much only. It will be not increasing or decreasing. As a result, the volume remains same. Let us write. They have fixed mass and volume, but not fixed shape. So these are the properties of liquids. Once more, the particles are arranged quite further, and that is why the particles are loosely packed. Particles of liquids are loosely packed. Third one is interparticle force of attraction is less than solids because the particles are loosely packed. Interparticle space is more than in solids. As we have seen in the solids, it is more than the liquids, or the interparticle space is more than the solids. They are mostly incompressible, cannot press it. They have fixed mass and volume but not fixed shape. So if you don't understand, please see the video twice or thrice and try to understand it. If any problem, please ask the question. I will discuss it in the next video. Thank you.